Guys, so does your bathroom counter looks like this after an entire week? Because it was clean last week, but mine looks like this again. It's Friday night. I'm going to spend some time figuring out what to do with all this stuff. And if your bathroom counter looks like this, know that you are obviously not alone. Okay, so welcome back to the channel. I am doing a 15-minute tidy declutter. This is basically everything I used this week. Everything. Poor Scott. Everything I used this week is here because evidently it's very difficult to take a brush and put it right back where it belongs, which is a nanosecond away from this position right here. Old habits. Alright, so I'm gonna declutter, and I got yet another system. If I had $1 every time I come up with a new system to organize my products, I probably would not need this channel, would I? But anyway, I got new containers, and I figured that one of the things that really bothers me is the visual clutter. You know, things like this, for instance, it does bother me. I don't like to see it, and it doesn't matter if I keep it tidy, if I keep it clean, I just don't like to see it. So today I bought some containers and I'm going to re-tidy everything and spend a good 15 minutes, maybe a little bit more, and I'm going to also declutter. Some of the products that are here I'm actually decluttering today because I know I'm not going to need. So what I'm going to do is take my trash can right here, and whatever I am not keeping, you're gonna see me throw it down below. And what I'm keeping, I'm gonna put it in the sink so that I can clean the surface and put the stuff in. All right, we're ready? Let's go. Alright, so everything here I'm letting go of. It's either old, I don't like it, I don't use it, why keep it? And in the sink are all the products that I'm actually using, but I need to contain them better. You know, ultimately my goal is not to have anything in here. I would like to just have my mirror. Let me get my Windex. My plant. And Q-tips. And cotton pads, that's it. Okay, mirror. That I gotta put somewhere else. You know, for those of you who are super tidy and always put your stuff back where it belongs, and you have a system, and you've had a system for years, I want you to know that I envy you. I really do. It's an ongoing struggle with me, but maybe, just maybe, this time around, I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, right. I know you're already rolling your eyes. I know. Okay. So today I went to a store called At Home and I bought these. These are plastic containers. You can't really see what's in it, which I like. And then it has that lid on top of it that is, whatchamacallit, bamboo. And my goal is to declutter enough that I really only have these two. And that would include the makeup. So that means that all of this here is gonna have to be pared down as well. Oh boy. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna go through my makeup and I'm going to keep what I absolutely use. Anything that I don't use, forget it. Okay, for sure, this, all of these, and this, and these. This three for sure. This. This three. Nope. This is starting to look like a declutter and not a tidy. Okay. Don't use. I use. Want to keep. I keep. Some of the stuff, you know, I've had for, I don't know, 6 years, 7 years. I'm gonna keep this. Okay. All of this can go. Wait, hold on. What color is this? This is so old. Ugh. Yeah, forget it. They are so old. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this in case I can put it in that container. Lipsticks are trash. Can let go of this. I'm going to keep the one at the bottom. That's gonna be for my, can let go of that. You know, it hasn't been long. I don't look socks. Yeah. It hasn't been long at all. It's only been like maybe 15 minutes. I'm just doing this extra stuff. Okay. So these I'm keeping. This one, no. That was an impulse. Okay. So I'm keeping these. And this one. Okay, so this is eyeshadow. I can let go of this. I'll keep this. These two I'll let go of. And this, my friend, is all of my makeup. And since everything I use on a daily basis is here, this is just the extra eye palettes for special days. But basically what I put on every day is right here. So I can just take that, right, in the morning and be done with it. Okay, you believe? Already reduced back to that. Okay, now this big container is going to be for the rest of my stuff. I don't use this anymore. This is all I use every single day. Let me put that on here. And I'm thinking if I can use a different container. Yep. So the specialized shadows can go in there. And you'll see eventually, next time I do declutter, they'll be gone. Or at least a few of them. Imagine that. Okay, I can just put my makeup right there. And then this thing here that I never really liked, it was practical for about a minute and then it drove me nuts. I can let go of. I can't really donate it, it's cracked. Let's address these. I have repeats. Only need one, only need one, only need one. 1, 2. I like this one. I need new brushes, you know that? Man, I've had those for so long. Look at what they look like. And I need to clean them too. I'm gonna keep this one. These are repeats. I'll keep this one. This one can go. Keep that. Keep the big blender. Keep this one. Don't need that. This can go. And they're gonna go in here with my everyday makeup.
Let's see where this all might lead. Waking up to a brand new day in between.
It took 20 minutes maybe at most, and this is what I got. And I think this is gonna work. So again, the bottom one is my extra palettes. It's, you know, fancy, whatever. Eventually, I know I'm gonna let them go. I just can't do it right now. I'm still attached. Okay. The one on top is all of my cleaning and, you know, beauty, cosmetics, whatever. So I can just take the box, put it on the counter, put the stuff back in, and put it back up there. And the little white box is just the makeup I use on a daily basis. So now, just for giggles, we're gonna look at this, because if you've been with me for a long time, you know that I used to have a huge piece of furniture just to contain my makeup. I'm down to this. I gotta wash my brush, okay? My brushes, but I'm down to this. This is it. And I'm sure I could get rid of more. But that's basically everything I use. I got the 2 eyeshadow I wear every day, the blush I'm using, the powder I'm using, the foundation I'm using. This is the cream blush. I use that underneath. I'm down to, you ready for this? 4 lipstick. I used to have, 60. I'm down to 4. So there's hope, okay? For those of you who despair, there is hope. The goal here in the morning is to pull this out, take the stuff I need, and put it right back in. So that way it doesn't stay on the counter. Where I had it before in that little tray, whatever, organizer, it was constantly shifting. I never had the room, whatever. I'm making excuses. I'm just a slob. Okay, but this is basically what I'm down to, those 2 containers. And on top, by the way, it's just a plant, cotton pads, Q-tip, my mirror, and a little container there for rings, you know, hairpin, whatever. But pretty much, this is it. That's all I got left. Okay, that's it. Let me say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this. It was quick. It was simple. I made huge decision. Got rid of a lot of stuff. I'm down to barely anything. And I tell you what, it doesn't take as long as you think it's going to take. Just start a corner and go through it, get rid of a lot of stuff. You want to see how much I got rid of, right? I got rid of all of this, everything that's in here, this. These I bought at a Korean store, and you know what, they're still good. So let me put them in my beauty supply thing. And I'm getting rid of this, and again, all of this. Not bad, under 20 minutes. This is looking really nice. I'm going to say this is the best the bathroom's ever looked, and I'm really happy. Next time you'll see me, I'll tackle the drawers. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye. Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.